Save the Manatee Club is a non-profit, membership-based organization established in 1981 by Jimmy Buffett and former U.S. Senator and Florida Governor Bob Graham. Our mission is to protect manatees and their aquatic habitat for future generations. Human activities are the largest threat to manatees, and only our compassion and action can protect them. With increased awareness, education, regulation, and enforcement, human-related manatee deaths can be substantially reduced or eliminated. We strive to protect habitat, reduce harassment, decrease injury and deaths that are caused by human activity, and ensure that there are sufficient regulations to sustain manatees long into the future. Save the Manatee Club concentrates efforts on increasing public awareness and education, sponsoring research, rescue, rehabilitation, and release efforts, advocating for strong protection measures such as speed zones and sanctuaries, and taking legal action to protect manatees when appropriate. While most of our efforts are focused on the United States, we also assist scientists and educators in the wider Caribbean, South America, and West Africa with their conservation efforts. To help support Save the Manatee Club, you can join our Adopt a Manatee program and become a member. These symbolic adoptions of real living manatees with known histories allow you to learn more about a manatee while helping to provide vital funding.
Watch out from behind. Molotov. One with a Molotov right here. Oh, that was a fucking beautiful headshot. Let's go.
You did dome that guy?
Yeah, I did.
Wow, he didn't even stand a chance.
Oh my god, that...
Oh my gosh, y'all look! Red crystals! Holy free holies. Batman.
Holy free holies? Batman indeed. How's everyone going this wonderful Tuesday? I am a tired Mr. Man. What's up? Some Starlight Girl KT, Affy Blackheart's in here. Jay Skittles. First time chatting. Hey, how's it going? Oh, I am a tired guy. Let's see. This work is for the birds. All the manatee ladies are under the weather. I'm the last one standing. Big baby manatee, little baby manatee, Mrs. Mana, all sick. It's been a disaster. Oof. So I didn't know if I was gonna stream tonight. To tell you the truth, I was just like, oh well. I want to, so I'm like, let's get it done. But yeah, it's no fun when everyone's sick. So we're gonna do a little bit of a kind of a chiller stream vibe going on. We're going to be actually doing some hacking today. Well, not really hacking, but here's my whiteboard. Do I have actually any? Might not have any. Oh, there's a dry erase marker. So what we're going to be doing today? We're going to be doing some. Watch this board really quick. We're going to be doing some functional Python programming. So let's get chat up here really quick. So a question. The motivation behind this was learn hacking and world domination. True story. So the motivation was a couple months ago now. At this point, Strider and I were talking, and it's like, okay, how easy would it be to create a chat bot like on our own? That or leveraging, not on our own, but leveraging Nightbot. How can we manage a quote system, like storing quotes and then retrieving quotes, all from Nightbot? So, anyways, that spiraled down into just discussion upon discussion. So finally, I had a couple Python streams. One which was just me going over like leak code and like showing off like how you can practice your skills using that service. And then I tried another stream where I tried hobbling this quote bot together, and we learned a couple things. One, Nightbot isn't really good at writing or storing information. It's good at reading it and like coming back with like stored prompts and stuff. But the neat thing that we learned is that Twitch chat, all it is a IRC feed. So it's actually relatively easy to scrape that information. So I got to thinking, my background's in marketing. So it got me thinking, what if I scrape my chats, my chats constantly while I'm streaming? And store all of that information inside of a database. I'll have usernames and I'll have the chat logs, but I can actually programmatically say who's regular. I can automatically do that. Like, I know that Starlight Girl, you're always on. Affy, you're always in. But yeah, our craziness stored forever. So I can't. So the idea is that I can grab all of the information from Twitch. I can grab all of chat. And I can grab, I'm drawing on a whiteboard and I'll show you in a second. I can grab that utilizing a Python script. Python's a programming language, pretty common one, especially because it's relatively easy to pick up. So take chat using Python. If I can raw that. What's up, Mr. Poe? All that we say will... yeah, I'm storing it all. Stored in a Postgres database. PostSQL. Because it's free. It's free and open source. Put it into Postgres database. Then take usernames out of it. For example, like Mr. Poe. And hit the Twitch API. Go back to Twitch. Twitch API. And I believe I can actually see I can get some information off of the Twitch API for each of the users and put that information back into my database. But the coolest thing is go to Nightbot and make people regulars. And then by making people regulars, this is, I wish I had more colors than this, but so we go from chat, we grab chat, we push it into our database, we send it the usernames to the API, everything's reversed, API, we get all the information from the Twitch API for that user, we put it back into our database. But the coolest part is that I can say, what's up? Oh yeah, if you got some questions, Big Hose, I can help you out. And then we can do some analytics to say, hey, who's a regular? And who... So I could be like, oh, well, I've seen Mr. Poe. Out of the past 10 streams, Mr. Poe has been here 8 times or whatever, for example. Let's put Mr. Poe as regular in Nightbot. And Nightbot has some specific goodies that you can do with regulars. So yeah, let's get this kind of going. How's the music volume? It's kind of chill. Hopefully I don't get too much DRM pinged. I should probably just see if there's a DRM free station on Spotify here. DRM free. Here we go. Here we go. If I have a list of tuples, how can I change the value in it? For example, and I want to change all the first values to their number version. Dude, you got tuples. Tuples are unimmutable inside of that list. I mean, a list is mutable. You can modify any, like, you can take those tuples out, you can reorder them, you can take them out, but when I change all the first values to their number version, how can I change the values in it, for example? So you want 3, I change all the first values to their number version? I'm not following, but you can't really, once it's in a tuple, you can only add to tuples, right? You can't yeah, once a tuple's, that's what I thought, just make sure. Yeah, they're immutable. No, once it's tupled, you're kind of pooped. But what's cool is the tuples are, you can index them just like a list. So, for example, say I want 3 spades out of that list, or just 3 out of that list, so I'll just call it sample list. If you want first object. It would be that. You lost me at hello. It's way override. No problem. So you could... Is the problem, can you create new tuples? But the yeah, once it's a tuple, it's immutable. Oh, you can create new tuples? Then yeah. And then they were just the question has tuples is the red herring to throw you off the set. I would just iterate through and probably create a hash map. So, alright, let me just reread it if I can. If I have a list of tuples, how can I change the values in it? For example, 3 spades. Oh, so if it's a 3, you want to change it to a 3. If this an ace, you want it to change that into a 1. So you're gonna need to create a dictionary. Oh, this is the card game. Okay, so you're gonna want to create the card dictionary. For example, 3, 3. So you're gonna use a dictionary to translate like 3 into 3. Yeah. That's what I would do. Take it out of the list. Take the tuples out of the list and throw them against the dictionary. Because really all you want to do is go to the first tuple and go 3 spades, so it's the 3 of spades. Yeah, that's how I would do it. And the only reason that they're keeping it as a tuple is then there's no modification of that object itself. So you're gonna have to create new objects, but yeah. I hope that helps. Well, you can't add it back into the tuple. I was saying recreate completely new objects. Because once it's in, once that tuple exists, there's really no like appending or modifying it. So, if you could, into a new one, exactly. Just do completely new objects. Because the object, like the output is, like, the function's just going to output this list, so this list of tuples that have numerical values instead of the word, so yeah. Just create a new list of tuples. That should work for you. Let's see, do I even have Python installed on this computer? I don't even have Python installed. It's too funny. That's the first, first part of the question. Gotcha, yeah. Hopefully that gets you started on the way, though. One of the rules of thumb is whenever in doubt, use a dictionary. That's kind of like a go-to, is like, so many things can just be solved with the dictionary data type. Install Python. Don't have it installed on my personal machine. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Swipey Vibe. What's up? What's up? Big shout out to... What's a dictionary? Oh, no. Shout out Swipey Vibe really quick. Yeah, let me start sharing my screen. Let me install Python really quick. Did I misspell Swipey Vibe? I did misspell Swipey Vibe. That's a disaster. Hold on here. How are you doing, Swipes? If y'all aren't following Swipey, give him a follow.
I need all the vibes right now to eat this.
Whoa, what are you eating?
Jesus Christ.
What's going on? What did you
Thank God I don't have my makeup on still.
Oh, you had makeup on at that day too, man? Oh, man.
Thank you.
Oh!
I almost dropped it.
Lose my mind.
On the beat.
Thank you, Big Hose. I appreciate it. Let me turn down this music a little bit. We were watching Swipey Vibe almost die there. Okay. Death Nut Challenge? No, thank you. So we're talking Python. We're gonna be doing some hacking here in a little bit, but Big Hose has a good question. Hey, what's a dictionary? That is key value. Yes. Other languages will just call it a hash map, key value pair, what have you. In Python, it's cool because a dictionary can have. I don't have Python installed on my machine. I'd show you in there, but I don't have it installed yet. So, I don't even have Notepad++ installed. I need that. Jeez. It was the subathon. Oof. Yeah, you gotta put yourself through pain for that one. So yeah, dictionary, key value pair, object where you can put in any data type that is not a hashed data type inside of it, which is really cool. Ooh, there's a special version. Download that shit. Death Nut. Are you on the right screen? I am on the right screen. I'm just downloading stuff right now. I did not get anything set up for this stream like I was supposed to. All of my women folk have been just completely under the weather this entire like 2 weeks. It is a disaster. Yeah, that's exactly it, Big Hose. Yeah. So you create a dictionary of the cards, and then you can create in that dictionary of all of the card types. You can actually say, in that dictionary, has this card been pooled yet? And that's how you're going to maintain when you're dealing your cards. You're actually going to put in a key part of that key value pair in that value. The key is the card number, is the card type, and the value is going to say, has this card been pooled yet? Yes or no, and if it has, don't look at it in the deck. If that's how your card game works. Oops, I don't want to change it. Okay, let's actually share a screen. So then you don't have to just be looking at my beautiful face. Goodness, I've got so many windows open. There you go. Maybe. Oh yeah, text editor. Yeah. I need to make these. So in Windows, my text editor of choice is definitely Notepad++. Let's install Python. Let me download you. I'll just download the latest and greatest, whatever. Customize that installation, boy. Especially in Windows, you always want to customize the installer. What are you making? So, what I'm going to be trying to do today, if I got enough juice, is we found out in a previous stream that all that Twitch chat is an IRC channel. And what's cool with IRC channels is that they're actually relatively easy to scrape. So I'm going to create a Python script that I'll run as part of my getting ready to stream process that will start scraping this feed. And I will be throwing that entire chat into a Postgres database to be stored. And then I'm gonna, as part of this, the after script, I'll parse through that database and see if I have any new, what I'm gonna define as regulars. And once we have regulars, yeah, you know, oh, Affy. It is kinky. No, it's totally cool. So once we define a regular, I can send a command up to Nightbot and say, hey, this username is now regular. Give them regular status with Nightbot, and then I can give folks in Nightbot who are regulars and above special commands, which I think is pretty neat. It's a good proof of concept. Once I get that working, I have some more ideas on especially how to use the Twitch API to try to create a social network. I got FOMO for a second. I like that. Let's see. Next, I want to install this. Oh, let me switch us back to live screen. I wish I could just, in Streamlabs OBS, you can only either the whole screen or only like the whole screen or only a singular application. And yes, Swipey, I get it all the time. I wore braces for a significant period of time. So there was a lot of work put into them. I appreciate it. It's not weird at all. So Windows is lame. I just realized I just doxed myself again. So let's knock that off. Oh my goodness. I swear I'm gonna give you guys like my social security number eventually. Let me just create a new folder. They did turn out great. So thank you for the compliment. Install it there. Yeah, I had braces from like 12 to like 11 or 12, maybe. No, like 11 to like 17. And then it was actually kind of crazy what we had to do is thankfully a lot of orthodontists, especially in the 90s, were just all about ripping teeth out. Big fans of just ripping teeth out of your head because it made the entire job easier. And thankfully my father was a big proponent of no, don't yank good teeth out of the head because you're gonna need those teeth, right? So we went to this orthodontist and he actually installed a separator into my mouth. And what would happen is that every night I'd have to reach. It was like this big old mouth guard that went on the top of my teeth. and it was cemented in there. So every night I'd have to reach in there with a key. There was like a little doodad in there, churn it, and it would actually like ratchet out. And over a course of a year, I went from having no gap in my front teeth to having like a good like half inch, maybe not half inch, that's pretty big, maybe like a 1/4 inch gap in my front teeth. So I slowly broke my jaw, and then I went in, put on braces, and then he got to move everything around, which was pretty crazy. It was intense. So I now need to still keep on setting up my environment. Thank you for your patience. Let's see. There we go. Still setting up this environment. Yeah, it's improved a little bit. It was the worst. I am not a fan. But now my teeth look great. Oh my goodness. I'm used to working like primarily in Mac OS, so working in Windows is mildly a disaster for me right now. We're going to install 3 packages right out the bat. We're going to install Pandas and SQL Alchemy. I think that's actually all we need is Pandas and SQL Alchemy. So pip is your friend on that. So pip install. What's it called? Let's see. But yeah, after that, I mean, my braces were pretty much just what everyone goes through, you know what I mean? Like, nothing fancy after that, just good old braces. And then I had a retainer. It actually just fell out. So I'm 35, 36? 35. I'm 35 this year. And I had this bottom retainer since I was 17. That's a long time that bad boy was in there. And it just fell out the other day. I was actually eating a candy after stream, like a sticky candy, and it kind of just like finally dislodged. Like it was stuck on there and it dislodged a little bit. I was like, oh crud. So I popped it out, and I mean, when we got it put in, the orthodontist was just like, leave it in as long as you can. A year, 5 years, 10 years, whatever. That's a long time for a piece of metal to be stuck in your face. I kind of miss it. I miss it. Get out of here. Okay. So we got our Python installed. We got our packages. Kind of those 2 packages that I knew I wanted. I do like a good package. Yes, sir, I do. Still, let's go back to the live screen capture, and I can capture my idle shell. I don't know what idle stands for, but this is kind of the default IDE for Python. I don't use this in real life. In real life, I use, like work life, I use Visual Studio Code. That's been kind of become my jam for Python editing. I'm still here, my mind is blown. Oh no. My mind's blown too. I still don't know what I'm doing. I'm personally a disaster. let's see here. There was a good tutorial that I found on this Twitch. It's actually IRC channel. Read Python. Let's see. It's the Python socket. Yeah, that's what we want. So import socket. I'll share. Actually, I will share. This is what we're doing now. Is all that Twitch chat is. Over here so I can see what you guys are doing. So all the Twitch chat is an IRC channel. If you're a little older, hey Mrs. Mana, little one's asleep. They're in bed.
We'll see. I think that takes back to you. We'll see.
I love you, lady. So all Twitch chat is an open.
There's a hole in the ground.
Thank you, Sora. Maybe I'll fill that hole later. All Twitch chat is an IRC server. Like the front end that you're seeing right now on the side of my beautiful face is the IRC client. The RIC server is Twitch itself, so it's sending information back and forth. So what I'm going to do is that I'm not going to mimic a real user and communicate with clients. This might not be what I want. I know I want to do socket, so IRC channel read. Swipey vibe! I think this might be a good one. Nope. It's just IRC. Twitch, read, chat, Python, socket. Here we go. Here we go. This is what I wanted. Yes, I think I remember this tutorial. So I should preface this by all saying that I am a data engineer by trade. During the day, I am a data engineer. I primarily am a Python developer. So 90% of software development is being good at Googling. So I do have. Let's create a Twitch account for our bot. Let's see. Including your token. Can I attach to any? I should be able to attach to any channel. Sweet. So we're gonna create a new, yet again, a new. Do I have like Firefox installed or something? No, I need to install another browser. 1 second. Let's install Firefox. See, these were all things I was supposed to be doing off stream. What's up, Harry? I don't know, dude. No problem, my man. I am just pumped that you're here. We actually helped someone with a homework problem earlier. That was kind of cool. I remember the card problem. In one class, I had to write a blackjack game in Python, and that was one of the most difficult things I've ever done. Metalhead Girl VP? What's the story behind that? I've seen that a couple times now, and I'm like, je quoi? Je ne sais pas. Okay, so we need to sign up for a new. She's a metalhead? Oh! Starlight Girl, you're a metalhead? That's fucking cool, dude. Didn't know that. Fucking rock on. So our username is going to be Mr. Mana. Mr. Mana's helpful. Mr. Mana's IRC bot. I'm going to choose a super secure password. Very creative nickname. It's very descriptive. Those are sometimes the best nicknames. Use my phone number. I promise I will not say it out loud. Very nice of you to join us. Sassy. I gotta solve puzzles to sign up as a new user? Hold on. It wants me to pick a turtle. Okay, I picked it correctly. Oh! Oh, I need to use email instead. What email should I use? What email should I use? You know, cause I actually already I'll just use my my other account, my super secret account that is totally not me. No. Because I don't have another email address, do I? Hold on. Oh, this is a disaster. Ah! I'm panicking. I'm panicking. Let's try that again. Plug in my birthday. Ancient. Now that I'm 35, I'm in a new cohort. Let's see here. I'm in the old folk cohort. Which is kind of funny to me. Wait till you get to be my age. Yeah, like what, 80? Ayo. 60-second email. Oh my goodness. Let's just create a new Gmail account. Shit, why not, right? Let's create an account for myself. My name, mind your own business. That's. There we go. Email or password? Mind. No. Hopefully you guys are kind of enjoying the keyboard ASMR. I should have put that in the title. Not now. Oh my goodness. Sign up for an email account. Like, yo, this is just like a bogus email account. Let me in. Let me in. Okay. Oh, I totally forgot what the email address is. Shit. It's some good keyboard. It's almost way more satisfying. Well, I'm glad that it's satisfying. I don't even know the email address of this thing. Oh, okay. So you guys can all just spam this account. At Gmail. We're making sure you're not a bot. I am a bot. I literally called this account a bot, and it's like, oh, okay, cool, man. Like, I'm gonna see how long it takes for this account to get flagged. Like, I literally just called it a fucking bot. Nah, I don't need to choose some interests. How about you suck my big toe? Okay, we are logged in. Okay. So we create our Twitch account. We need to now go to this. Oh, no, no. We need to now go here. This twitchapps.com TMI to get an auth token for our app. I'm doing this off screen because I don't want you cats to see my tokens and shit. Okay, sweet. I got my oath. Token should look like this, including... Oh my goodness. Okay, that's my token. Okay. Oh, I achieved a stand goal. Sweet. I'm gonna create a file that has my token because I don't want y'all to see my token. I think y'all can appreciate that. So let's just throw it into a new area. I'm gonna call this IRC bot. Then we're gonna create a auth.py. That actually does not open it as a... that's funny. Windows does not like use... If you just say .py, it doesn't actually automatically make it a Python file. So let's try that again. So we're going to call it auth. So auth. Just setting a variable in here really quick. Just save that really quick. And I was about to say, the clicking on this bad boy better be satisfaction, like, make you feel good. Because this was an expensive keyboard. This is the Logitech G Pro or whatever. These things are expensive. It's expensive for a keyboard that I really don't use anymore. You know what? I might as well put all of this information in that file that I just created off screen, because that's not going to be changing. And if Big Hose is still here, I'm going to actually share my Notepad++ screen here, is that here's my auth.py. This is where we create a dictionary, and where dictionaries come in handy. So for example, my server is the IRC channel, which is, or IRC server, which is a dictionary. Ayo, big dick energy. True story. In one of my jobs, I had, so there's an object type that a lot of data is stored in called a JSON. I forget what JSON stands for. But anyways, it's a dictionary that can have other dictionaries inside of it. And so in my code, I called it Big Dicked and Little Dicked. And it would just crack me up, and I thought I was going to be the only one ever seeing this stuff, because there was no like pull request or anything to see it. And then they're like, hey Chris, we got a new person starting next week. And she was this young Indian data engineer. And I was taking her through the code, and I was like, oh, this is how it works. And she's like, Big dicked and little dicked. That's something. Be careful how you name things. She did find it funny. She found it funny, but always be careful. First of many run-ins. So port equals 667. Really? Is that an integer? 667. 8? Yeah, looks like it. So nickname equals what did I call this freaking thing anyways? Goodness, I don't want to choose interest. Get the fuck out of here.
And it does
Mr.
look like it
Mana's
does damage over
IRC
time.
bot. So that's the nickname. Oops. Token is something. I'm not going to show you what that is. Oops. And then here's the really cool part, because it's everything's. I know I keep on repeating, it's just an IRC channel. We can read any channel. Okay? If you guys have been thinking that, like, this is all publicly information, Mr. Mana. Crazy shit, am I right? Ooh woo. Ooh woo. What food did you guys get? Yeah. Oh my goodness. Okay. Let's go back to sharing my idol show. Because I am almost ready to start showing you guys some crazy shit. And you're gonna be like, say what? And I'm like, yeah, you know it, Booze. And you're gonna be like, shit, son. That shit cray, yo. Like, you know it, baby. You're gonna be like, Mr. Mana, tell me how to Dougie? Is that what it is? Oh, they're still sick as dogs. Mana ladies are not doing well. Ooh, those are like a sushi. Sounds tasty. Metalhead sushi, count me in. I'm doing the a lot today. So, we imported our socket. Now we need to import this auth baddie, which, where did I even put that? Where did I put that? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. IRC bot. Dot. Auth. Nope. Let's see. You know what? We're gonna be super lazy. Wait. Which working directory am I in? Import OS. os.get cd. Let's just change our working directory because we're lazy people like that. There we go. What's that directory? Yeah, you know it. Okay. Import auth. Where's my... Oh my goodness, I actually made a typo. That's too funny when I do stupid shit like that. Oh my goodness, I am a hack. Why do I have equal signs in here? Coding and streaming is very difficult. And believe it or not, this is what a technical interview looks like. Oh yeah, while you're working, we're all working. Yeah, this is exactly like I've interviewed at like forgot quotes like a jackass. Yeah. This is what coding interviews look like, and it is completely stressful as fuck. Like coding by itself. Sweet. So now I should have a dictionary called type auth. Oh no. From auth import auth dictionary. So now we have our dictionary that I put in that file with that super secret token that I didn't want you guys to see. We have that dictionary inside of here. I actually have 2 technical interviews tomorrow and a introductory call with a hiring manager tomorrow. So I have 3 hours of interviews tomorrow. It is... The hustle is real, y'all. Ooh, GLGL? Yeah, it's stressful. There's a reason I used to have hair. Like, I used to have really thick, luscious hair. Look at that bulb. I think I got a sunburn too. Jeez. Yeah. Coincidentally, my hair started falling out when I started dating girlfriend, when she was girlfriend Nana. So, here we go. So, let's see. So next, I'm reading, what was... This fucking song slaps. Feels like a freaking 80s montage. He was just a boy working at a pizza shop, spinning the dough, trying to get a car. Oh, where did you get your music? What is this? It's 88 miles per hour disco. This is fucking crazy. So this is right on Spotify. I actually have a really cool command that I've never used. Bang song will get you like the actual track, but let me share the playlist. I don't know where I was gonna go. This is a pretty good one. Do I have this on shuffle, or is this just gonna go right down the list? No, this is on shuffle, I think. No, let's shuffle this. It's not on shuffle. Alright, cool. So we've got our... Let me move this over a little bit. My beautiful head was... Like, what I wanted to do is I wanted... Again, I didn't have enough time to set everything up, so this is going to be in, like, future streams. So, like, my face is down here. Or I wanted to move my face up here. It's so weird with... Everything's mirrored. I want to put my face up here and then have, like, a... be cool, like, I Heart Bears and use my phone to, like, do, like... hand cam, you know what I mean, like doing rude gestures down here and everything. And I was gonna start like swapping in different keyboards that I have, because I can see from where I'm sitting. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 keyboards I can see right now. So I wanted to like do like a little bit of keyboard review while we were doing this as well. Okay, so we have Socket imported, and Socket's going to be the baddie that's going to be doing a lot of this work. So we're just following along with this person's tutorial. We're setting this variable sock to this method, which is socket. It just makes life so much easier when you don't have to be calling the method all the time. I know I'm going over a lot of heads with this. If you're not familiar with programming, I'm just following a tutorial. Actually, let me plop the tutorial right in chat. That's what we're working off of. Right there. So I'm not this isn't like off the top of the dome or anything. I'm not that guy. I'm not that guy. I am not that guy. So we're gonna just connect really quick to the socket. So sock.connect. You're not that guy. You're not that guy. Actually, we'll make life even easier. So server equals auth dict dot. No, I know something's in there. So server port equals. Dude, there is so many fucking good songs on this playlist. I shared it a little bit ago, but it's rocking my face off. That's what it's doing. Like, I'm a little turned on by this music. How good it is, and it's completely DRM free, digital rights management free. Yeah. Nickname.
I can't find the fucking hole.
Where the fuck is that hole? Thank you, Sora. My favorite part about Sora, other than her wonderful streams and how she's hilarious, is she's like, fucking mana. I'm just gonna fucking some hole comment's gonna get thrown there, and I really appreciate it. I went in and I did all of my blurb. Like, I added a bunch of blurb sounds, knowing that, like, giggling and being like, I can't wait till Sora discovers this. Yeah. Too funny. Too funny. I was watching, her worst half's, stream the other day. And man, I wanna drive a truck on stream now. I really do. Time Cop 1983 on the midnight. Nice. Oh god, no you don't. I will yeehaw the shit out of that, Sora. Oh fuck yeah. Oh man, imagine co-streaming with bears. Oh man, we would yeehaw so hard. It would be great. It would be great. We'd be like, yeehaw! Everyone would be like, oh man, those guys. I miss Mr. Mana's streams where he would just talk about his big dick. His big dick and the little dick. So I don't want to type this over and over again. No, that's sending. I don't want to send. Okay. Once connected, we need to send our token and nickname for authentication and the channel to connect to over socket. Interesting. Hold on. Contact. Okay. Usually you have to play extra for all those dicks. Oh, your back hurts. Oh no, Sora, are you okay? Did you have a run-in with Big Dick? Dictionary? Dictionaries can be quite heavy, and if you don't lift with your legs, that big dick will come and get you every time. This isn't lewd. It isn't lewd. Big dictionaries can get really heavy. You don't want that. Don't want that dick in your those big dicks. Okay, here we go. So response equals received. Okay, let's print response. Here we go. That is so small. That is so small. Like, is this, like, no, that's too small. Let's blow this shit up. Size 34, bye. Oh, geez, that's way too big. Oh, yeah, girl. You like my dick, don't you? Like my dick? Schnary? Off dicked? Small dicked? Parse those dicks, get what you need. Oh, that's woof. Get those big dicks. Alright, so stop laughing, Sora. Oh, that's too funny. So hey, here's the response. 001, Mr. Mana's IRC bot. Hey, welcome in, IRC bot. Whatever GLH means, who knows what someone help me out. GLHF. What's that? Like, no idea what that means. But this is okay, new line. Okay, my host is this. All of this stuff. Okay. Oh, is GLHF my welcome? Interesting. Interesting. So let's see if I run it again, what happens. Rest. Print that shit. Okay. So here you go. You see it. I am hardcore Harry. Here's the message on the Mr. That's what it reads. Okay. I am hardcore Harry from Twitch in the Mr. Mana channel. I was just gonna say her back hurts from carrying me in Fortnite, but maybe it's just the big dicks. Those big dictionaries. They're, you know, I was holding it, you know, it's a book, right? It's a dictionary. Yeah, so cool. Stop laughing, Sora. Last message in chat right there. Cool, right? So what's really neat about this, let's move this handsome devil a little bit out of the way. Right there. Right there. Right there. We'll move me up there. So what's cool about this is I can set channel to anything. Like, someone throw out someone who's streaming right now. Help me out here. Oh, all you saw were the hand motions, and you were probably like, yes sir, that's what I'm all about and what I need in my life right now. Someone give me a channel. Give me a channel. Oh, Jay Skittles, she was in earlier. I love her. Seriously, she is the bee's knees, and oh my goodness, talk about a soothing voice and soothing vibe. Oh my goodness, I want her to read me like some audio, like, yeah, like read me an audiobook. Like, you're missing your calling. Like, when you Skittles, when you rejoin the workforce, you need to get into the voice, being just a voiceover person, because you're amazing. Yeah, she's cool. Finally, like, I've been following her for a while and hadn't, like, I finally got a chance to check out her stream. I'm like, she's cool AF. Oh, my sock is open still. You always got close your socks, okay? I'm going to fucking clean up after you. Is not a socket. Get the fuck out of here. I went out of order. That's why we should create a function. Let's create a function. She's gonna be a partner, right? Oh, cool. Nice. Seems good, peeps. He hasn't been on lately. Not that I've seen. Hopefully everything's alright in the 2 Def connect IRC connect. So we're gonna create a function so I don't have to type this stuff over and over again because I'm losing my patience. We are going to be connecting to. He's been moving. Oh, let's go. Nice. We're going to get a auth dictionary inside. Nice. Moving is stressful. No, thank you. I already told Mrs. Manna I am dying in this house. So what's the cool part about functions is that sockets, we need to send these parameters as incoming strings. So what this will do yeah, I wouldn't die there either. That'd be sad. I'm just reading the document or the tutorial to see if writing this as a function right now is what I want to do. Now we have success. So that's our function. Okay, cool. So, I'm going to return sock.connect auth dict server, comma, auth. Getting these dicks out here. Auth dict port. I did that right. No, I forgot to. There we go. So sock. So sock.send. Let's see, is this what how I want this to be? What's up, Strider? Ah, dang it. Oh, cause I'm screwed up. Hey, Strider, how are you doing, sir? Sock equals IRC. Hopefully everything is going well. Strider, hi. Google's in the house. So we should be able to now send that. None type has. Oh my goodness, I can't do that. that's not how socket works. Oh, gross. My friend needed some help tonight over at his house. Just gonna... What's the project tonight? We've already connected to sockets. The IRC channel. And I was gonna start writing a function to like make it easier for me to keep writing the sockets, but I'm just gonna keep on going through the tutorial and worry about it later. We got our responses, we can close it. So what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to create a... Let's see if I need to create a logger. Hold on. I put it in the chat earlier, but let me put the tutorial in chat again. It's well written. I am a huge fan of this tutorial. It is very well written. So, okay, I can see what he's doing with logging. So importing logging. Okay, cool. Thanks, my man. So what's cool, what that does right here is, so this entire logging thing, all it's doing is it's just gonna be writing the last response that I received and putting it in a text document for us. And let me show you what that looks like. Let me show you what it looks like in Python. I mean, that's not readable. You guys can't read that. Like, fuck, that's a disaster, right? I can't. You know, I can read it, but it's because I've been doing this for a while in my life. So let me now screen capture. That is tiny AF. But it's still really tiny. Let's keep on scrolling. There we go. Now you can see, hey, there's Harry, and we're talking about some big dicks. And it's nicely, a little bit nicer formatted. I'm literally laughing and crying. Oh my freaking gosh. So now, that's great and all, but Mr. Mana, you said what we were going to do is we were going to start, we were going to be continuously reading information from chat so I can be a creepy boy and start figuring out who loves me the most. So where that comes in is we need to be continuously writing now to a file. And what's cool is, hey, this dude has it. Actually, let me just see if I actually have this file or this module. Yeah, I need to install that. Hold on. That was nice of you to help your friend though, Strider. What's the good word, my mans? Okay, we need to install the emoji library really quick. Because you guys love writing, throwing emotes in chat, and you can't really, we want to be able to know what a thumbs up is or what a moist hole is. to restart our shell really quick. Start that show. Less. Let's see here. Let's go back up here. Get this done. Okay, so server equals dict server. He's in the process of turning his garage and oh, fucking cool. It's day guy. Oh, nice. Nice. That's fucking cool, man. That is cool. So, woodworking is a lifelong hobby. So now, I have all of this information in a separate file. Smallwood. We brought in our dict. It's not a big dict. It's a small dict. It does the work that it needs to do, and you'll find that with dicts, it's not about the size. It's about how you use it. So even though it's a small dict, it's exactly the right size for the job. Dictionary, of course. That's what we're talking about. Dictionary. And I put the dictionary in a different file because I have a token that I don't want to get sent out into the world. I think I actually said nickname. Dictionaries. And then yeah, this is not very it's a permanent token for this because it's IRC. It's very whatever, it's open. Cool. You're reading messages in a public channel. Oh no, oh god. So it's just a one-time token. You don't have to refresh. There's no like authentication handshake or any of that. Or any of that nice securities. It's just one and done. So we got that taken care of. Let's set up our logger. Import logging. Oops. Get our logging. Nice and done. So that'll just write to the file. Okay, so now we want continuous. Interesting. While true, it just keeps going. Nice. Nice. Okay, so for our channel, we're going to be using, whose channel do we decide on? Skittles? We're going to creep on Skittles. Oh, she's playing Legend of Zelda right now.
Love you, Ma. Raider, what's going on? Welcome.
Oh, she just got raided. Sweet. So yeah, let's be creeps on Skittles' channel and start capturing all of that information. So sock.connect. Get out of here. I have to do that. Forgot to do that first. Define the method. Get out. There you go. I'm going to connect in. Copy and paste incorrectly. So that says, hey, here's my token. I'm an authenticated user. This says, this is my nickname. All to Skittles channel. And this says, or that this is passing into the IRC server saying, hey, I'm an authenticated user. This is my nickname, like my username. I want to join Skittles channel. And while true, meaning until we stop it, we're gonna log. We're logging, baby. We are scraping all of Skittles stuff. Which I should thank her for being part of our experiment.
Please find Tiva, work together, and you may be able to stop Divine Beast Va Meadow. Gus, what are you laughing at?
So I'm just sending her a lurk right now.
Ah, Bash, welcome back. Welcome back in. Let's see, did Lex get a shout? We'll give her a shout just in case. Lex, thank you again. How are you?
Okay, let's pause that. So she's definitely live. Okay, let's see. Oh, I don't think it actually did what I wanted to do. Oh yeah, it totally did. Oh yeah, we definitely dipped our toe in someone else's stream. I was just very surprised that it was very small file size, but it actually makes sense. Oh my goodness, that is so small. That it's just text, it's gonna be that small. I'm just gonna open this with. Oh, here we go. Man, this music's fucking good. So here's like our Can you guys read that at all? But down here, let's see. I said lurk at one point. Right here. This line. At 9:14 and 25 seconds, Mr. Mana, Twitch TV, at JSkittles. Lurk. And then here's the command right here, that Nightbot command. And Gus is laughing at old nipple combos. Bokak. But yeah. Right, you can just log someone else's like entire chat. It's pretty cool. And don't worry, Twitch is definitely doing this right now. They are definitely storing all of this information to be analyzed later by our good friend, Amazon. They are definitely looking at this information. So let's go back to. So what's neat about this is that it's actually not based on time increment at all, Strider. It's actually based on character limit. Let me go back to the correct screen capture. Okay. So let's see here. Scrolling. Alright, so you see this command right here. It's really kind of small, but sock.receive 2048 is right there. On the line right in the middle of the page. Which I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger for you guys. What this says right here is for that socket that we're connected to, grab me 2048 characters. We can change that. And the convention that this person said, which is usually like the small powers of 2. You can put it in anything you want, but what it'll do is it'll say, okay, grab me the last 2048 characters. Okay, I got them. Okay, give me another 2048 characters. So in the tutorial, we were on this part of the tutorial. One, translate emojis and emotes into the actual text values. Like if you go to your emotes and you like hover over, like say the alarm clock, it's Mr. Mana 2 o'clock. It should actually define that emote. The emoji should be able to it'll actually have that text in there. So what this code right here does, it says while true, meaning while this thing's running, grab me 2048 characters. If the response starts with the ping, send pong, which I have to read what that means. But if the response isn't ping, then if the length of response, if there's something in it, put it into the file. Pretty cool, right? So we're gonna parse this into a pandas data frame. So what's cool about pandas, I could write if I really wanted to. Let's Google that really quick. Sock write message IRC. Probably put Python in here. Python. Here we go. We authenticated, we joined. Oh my goodness, this guy actually creates a class for it and everything? Man, you're a way better person than me, my man. I'm gonna steal a lot of this stuff though, it's pretty good. I should actually just steal all this, this is awesome. IRC dot. Let's see. I should be able to. Sock equals socket dot socket. Sock dot connect. Nice. I'm gonna inject my dict into Harry's chat. If you know what I mean. Alright, so now we passed Twitch saying hey. I'm an authenticated user. This command right here sends to chat, hey, fudge off. Why did it do that? Let's try that again. I don't know why it does that sometimes. Oh my goodness, what are we doing here? I'm an authenticated user. This is who I want you to call me. Establish connections with. Right. Establish connection. Fucking Windows, man. Let me just Google this error really quick. Web browsing session. Yeah. Okay. Yep, that's. Do I actually need to send my name though? Can I do it anonymously? Yeah, I need to grab this as a. Is this? Oh yeah, I gotta write a better. Okay, here we go. Here we go. I'm reading another guy's tutorial really quick. I'm not a bad person. I'm stealing this guy's. I'm borrowing this guy's code. I'm doing it. It's pretty good. Let me throw it in chat. Give this guy credit. He wrote a solid class on how to do it. Class is a type of object in Python. So I'm just going to paste that right there. Okay. So, from IRC class import star. Oh no! Hold on. Let's just go to chatting really quick. This guy's stuff is gonna make our life that much easier, because then we can just call the class instead of typing all that shit over and over again, which works if you are patient, like you're just doing this for kicks. We're gonna be doing this over and over again. That's the goal anyways, is we're gonna be doing this, like scraping shit constantly and passing this off to other people to start scraping too. Alright, cool. Got that saved as a PI file. So, let's let's go back to the live screen. I should be able to now, from IRC class, import star. Get out of here. Did he save it as something else? Yeah, he did. I called it IRC. Wait, what did I call it? I called it IRC bot, that's why. Yeah, Strider, there's a reason he does that smart person stuff for a living. Alright, so we're gonna read that. Okay, cool. Okay, so we got this. Fucking got this. Fucking yeah. Alright, so server. We don't need to write that. We already know what it is. Wait, bot pass? I don't need a password. Yeah, I do. Okay. I just get creative. You make the magic happen. Hey, creative juices, baby. Not the only juices I like. I like the juices from the dudes. Dictionaries. Dictionary juices. Connect. Alright, so I think I already have server and all that defined, so I can just do irc.connect server port. Let's make sure we set this to Mr. Mana just in case. I don't want to experiment on anyone else's channel. That's not cool. I don't need a password. What are we talking about here? Let's see here. It's just... I might need to edit this file really quick that he has. Because I don't need a password for this server. Hold on. Let me hop back really quick onto the area that you guys can't see. Let me just make sure. I don't need to do that. I need to edit his code really quick because Twitch authenticates slightly different than a traditional IRC server. So I just need to make sure that we are doing it right. Maybe this would actually work. Who knows? Because this is using... Yeah, who knows? Let's just fucking try it, right? I don't know what this password is. Wait, hold on. Sorry, I'm reading. Not the most exciting thing. Okay, so server, port, channel, nickname. Bot make pass? We can just edit his shit really quick. That's what we're gonna do. Just edit that shit really quick. Just edit that really quick. Just edit really quick. Yeah, oh, it's over. Yeah, I guess IRC channel, like normal ones, require a little bit more. A little bit more authentication than Twitch. Twitch's IRC seems to be pretty wide open. Like, you can do whatever the hell you want, pretty much. That's interesting. It is pretty much wide open. So let's restart our shell. Oops. Restart the shell. Thank you. So, import OS. os.change dir c colon / IRC bot. I think that's what it is. Right? It slaps, dude. It's slapping my face off. It's getting me going. Making me wanna dance. I just wanna dance. From auth, import auth dictionary. That big ass dictionary. From IRC bot, import everything. I already imported OS, so we're gonna import the random library. I don't know why we're doing that, but that's how we're doing it. So server equals the authentication dictionary, server, the port equals the authentication dictionaries port that we have saved in there. Our channel equals our authentication dictionary channel. Starting to fade. What time is it? Almost 30 minutes till France o'clock. Okay. Oh, I forgot to edit what commands needed to be in there. Fuck, I suck. Call that token. Nickname. That's all we need. Because this wasn't gonna work. So let's restart again. I caught that error. Thank you guys for letting me also practice my technical interview chops with you. I appreciate it. C bots. Let's just start copying stuff from the line above us. Import all that. I don't know why we need random, but I'm just following his work. Port. Channel. Token equals the auth dict. Token. And nickname equals authentication dictionary. This guy's life. So IRC equals IRC.connect. Sweet. So server, port, channel, token, nickname. We're connecting to IRC. Sweet. So start the client communication. So text equals IRC.get response. Print text. You are in a maze. Say what? Made all like. Interesting. I have no idea. I have no idea what that is. Let's try that again. Alright, there we go. It was just because nothing was actually saying anything. So now we got hello. So let's see if send was part of it. Okay, here we go. This is what you've been waiting for. Strider. Oh, channel. It's channel. Strider is my hero. There we go. Let's see if it works. It doesn't work. Let's see. How to... That's so disappointing. Why doesn't it work? Let's I know this is entertaining watching me read the read this guy's code. So private message plus channel message. That should work. It should work. Huh. I don't know why it didn't work. That's so disappointing. Hi, baby bagel ham. My send didn't work. I was trying to send a message to the channel saying that Strider is my hero, but it doesn't want to send anything. But that's not really our goal here. We can fiddle around with that later, but get some more responses really quick. So there we go. Awesome. There we go. Perfect example. Perfect example. Thank you, baby. It's a baby bagel ham giggles. So here we go. Baby ba 26 giggle. There we go. There we go. So we can use that. This right here. This class that we got from this one guy, we can use that in combination with this other cat's stuff where he's doing all of his logging. Oops. Import logging. Okay. Import that logging. We're going to set our channel to Skittles because that's the example we've been kind of going with this entire time, and she's got 43 viewers right now, so she's banging. So we're going to constantly log this information. But we need to edit how we're writing it. So while true, which is very dangerous, this means that it's, you know what? So while I'm gonna set, I do a, no, we can do it while true. I'll just cancel it. So while true, which means it's gonna run forever because it's always true. Let's see. I need to set up my IRC really quick. While true, connect to that IRC. Wait, no. Yeah, it's me. RC.close. Oh my goodness. Does it not have a close? It does not. Channel. Skittles. Oh my goodness. This object has no attribute to code. Is there an error in this guy's command? Could be. Oh, maybe because there's... There we go. So there needs to be a handler in there. Okay, cool. We're gonna restart it one more time. Just restart that shell. Last time, I promise. So from IRC import star. Import OS dot change directory. I gotta change the working directory. I haven't done it yet because I didn't really set up my environment. I just kind of been doing this live. From IRC bot import star. Sweet. Okay. So now, let's set up our logging. One friend has done for us. Import logging. We're gonna call this. It's not gonna be chat log. It's gonna be Skittles log. And we're gonna import from the emojis really quick. Whoa, that was everything. Nope, just import from here. So, while true, so while true, wait, no, I don't want to do that while true. I want to do an IRC connect first. So let's just make sure I have that command written correctly before I go into it. So, IRC IRC equals IRC.connect is I didn't import the authentication. Let's see. Server equals channel equals different Skittles. Typos. I am a jackass. Brackets. It's not a method. There's those brackets. You're an asshole. Music might be a tad louder than me. Okay, that's good. I was mumbling a little bit too. Turn it down a little bit. Okay. Here we go. I got it. We're gonna connect. It's gonna be great. We connected. Fuck, man. Fuck. Okay. So while this shit is true, meaning just run, bitch, until I tell you to stop. While true, response equals IRC dot get response. If the resp dot, now I can just go copy and paste this shit. Alright. Sweet, it's running. So that's perfect time for me to take a break and leave you with clips of my beautiful self. Oh yeah, I got a new phone today. I'm rocking the iPhone 13 Pro. And this is by far my favorite part of it. Got my little wallet here. I'm actually gonna go outside. Shit!
Welcome to the channel of manatees. If you like dancing and holes, please take a seat. Join us for some fallout if you wanna hang out. Mr. Man is streaming now.
There you go. Hey. Harry's CPR is just just teabag, just over and over again. Breathe! Breathe! I'm not gonna let you go! Get out of here.
Good work. We expect great things from you.
Barely. Let's see what. Played the game by Blitz King. 1430. He got 71 by himself this round. Let's see. No way. No way. No fucking way. I got the most kills. Fuck yeah. That gets a drink. I mean, it's Diet Coke, but fucking right. That's awesome. Dude, that makes me so excited.
Is the mouth to mouth really a new concept? It is. Yeah. We don't just keep it
Why is it
right in the
always
face.
teabags?
That's how
Always the
that's how
teabags.
hardcore Harry does his CPR. Just balls right in the mouth.
Always the balls. Always balls.
I haven't talked to my mommy in a while. Okay. You know what, Yucca? Why does it always have to be balls? Like every time. It's like, that was like a how-to manual. I want a song still. Eating little mini muffins. Oh, yeah, here's your music. Oh, yeah. Saying something nice to Skittles. I just realized, I'm like, is this actually considered like a douchebag thing? Like, scraping someone else's chat? Like, help me with the ethical dilemma on this one, Strider. Is this considered a douchebag move? Because if it is, I should just delete that shit now. I mean, it's publicly, like, it's not like it's encrypted. I don't think it's unethical. It doesn't feel unethical. Yeah. Right. I don't know, that's a really good question though. Right. Oh, it actually finally failed. It failed naturally on its own. Yeah, I don't think I'm being unethical. Yeah, I think this is kosher. Alright. This is kosher. That didn't really work. I'm looking at it now and all it is like the welcome information. Interesting. That's so weird because if I do like IRC get response right now. Oops. Get back here you go. I'm gonna get something. Maybe I'm gonna get something. Maybe not. It's working a minute ago. Why isn't it working anymore? It's so fucking weird. That's so weird. Maybe this user already got fucking smacked. It's not working anymore. Well, that was a waste of time using that guy's class if, That's some fucking bullshit, man. Fuck, man. It really sucks. Fucking wasting my time. Oh my goodness, This is like as far as we got last time, and I wanted to like not just crap out like this. Come on, man. You know what? Instead of using a dictionary inside of that other, I'm just gonna fucking go lazy. Going lazy. I'm doing this off screen really quick. We're going lazy. We're gonna do it the wrong way, but you know what? This is just proof of concept, getting it out. It's not like this is going in like work code or something. I'm getting tired of typing this over and over again, especially when my Python keeps on fucking up. I'm getting tired. Okay. Get rid of these commas, because that's going to bomb everything. Cool. Save that shit. Okay. From import star. Bam. There we go. Ah, fudge, man. Okay. Alright, now we want to do the login that he has here. Because I love that login. It's really solid. Oops. Skittles. Okay, got that taken care of. So now, let's go into how this guy's information again. Because he does... Oh, yeah. Okay. Mrs. Nana's not feeling well. She just sent me a message. Connect to the port. Port socket. Socket. Create the sock. Now. Send my authentication token. Send my nickname. And now join the channel that I want to join. Perfect. Login's taken care of. just do this really quick. Alright. Okay, now that's working. Oh. How's everyone else doing tonight? Forgot to ask that. Isn't it saying a keyboard? It's not allowing me to interrupt the execution. It's kind of fucked up. Interesting. Yeah. Well, anyways, Mrs. May just said she's not feeling well, so I'm just gonna close stream. That was fucking disappointing. Shit didn't work. Oh well. But, you know what? I appreciate you guys for hanging out with me. Even though I don't know. But I don't get it. I'll probably do a lot of this off stream. Fiddle around with it, get it working. But we're actually gonna raid Skittles. Yeah. I don't know, I wasn't working. Yeah, I might just do this off stream and just get it in a working state and just go from there. Because disaster. But that's okay. I'm just tired too. But we're gonna raid Skittles. Oh, no problem. Those were some pretty good beats. Yeah, let's go give Skittles some love and listen to her soothing voice. Yeah, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this off stream. I'm gonna get the bot just to read messages in a good spot, and then so it's usable, and then the next time kind of show off how pandas can be used to parse that information, put it in a readable format, and then I can push it into a database. Yeah. The editing magic. I'll probably be able to do it like during like the day easier, and I'll be a little bit more awake. but I'm gonna send you guys all over to Skittles. She'll take care of you. She's good peeps. She's playing some Zelda. Oh, thank you. Yep. Yeah, I only have the one raid. Because I'm a bad person like that. But, yeah, I'll see you guys over there. I'm gonna go and get some sleep before the kids wake up being all sick, and hopefully Mrs. Mann is okay. I'll see you guys over there. Brr. Have a good Wednesday tomorrow? Brr.
Make sure there's nothing over there.